So you just bought your new steam oven or are thinking about buying one. It's not a small investment and can be a determining factor in the design of a kitchen renovation. So will you really use it? That all depends on how convenient and tasty the food you can cook in it is. In this video, I'll show you some easy and delicious recipes you can cook in your new steam oven, and at the end, you'll learn how to download our free speed and steam oven buying guide to learn even more. Let's get started. In the steam-only mode, I made a delicious and healthy grain bowl. The farro cooked perfectly, but you could also do the same with quinoa, rice, or any other healthy grain. I made a wonderful medley of vegetables, including edamame, sweet potatoes, and kale. All retained a lot of nutritive value, had a wonderful texture, and tasted delicious. I also steamed some marinated salmon that was juicy and flavorful, and the same can be done with any seafood or lean protein, and you'll get tons of flavor, a wonderful texture, and a beautiful color as well. I also sous vide some turkey thighs, which was done on sous vide mode, but you can use regular steam mode for this as well. Just make sure you properly vacuum seal your proteins and set to the desired internal temperature. The turkey thighs were set to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and maintained that temperature for up to 2 hours to make sure that they were fully cooked. I then removed them from the bag and gave them a quick sear to crisp up the skin on the outside, and they retained so much flavor, moisture, and got a beautiful crunch on the skin. To accompany the turkey thighs, I made a quick succotash on the stovetop as well, where I sauteed some onions and garlic along with red pepper. I added in the steamed corn, a little bit of white wine and cream, some herbs, and then I added the steamed gnocchi in at the end. The whole dish came together quickly, efficiently, and I served it with the sous vide seared turkey thighs for a lovely weeknight meal. On convection-steam mode, you get the best of both worlds. You get the dry heat from the convection and you get moisture with steam. So this is ideal for things like casseroles, lasagnas, bread puddings, and lean proteins where you want to retain some moisture and get the browning as well. Our bread pudding cooked beautifully. I got a beautiful brown crispy crust on the top, and the custard reduced and absorbed into the bread, creating a lovely texture, a lot of moisture, and it didn't dry out like it would have in a traditional convection oven. Cooking with a steam oven allows you to accomplish so much with just a couple of different modes. In steam mode, you can get the most out of your vegetables, retain a lot of moisture and flavor in your proteins, and grains cook effortlessly. With convection steam, you get the best of both worlds. You get the dry heat along with the steam to produce more desirable results with casseroles, baked dishes, and lean proteins. With sous vide, you can cook your proteins and vegetables to an exact temperature, preventing them from over or under cooking. This is ideal for entertaining, meal prep, or a seamless family dinner. Click the link in the description to download our free speed and steam oven buying guide to learn even more about cooking with a steam oven and the convenience and efficiency you can get from each brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.